Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. You want to make a cylindrical hole in a solid sphere of radius 5 meters. The reel will pass through the sphere from part to part. The axis of the cylinder coinciding with a diameter of the sphere. Knowing that the radius of the hole is 3 meters, calculate the volume of the material dislodged from the sphere. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to draw the diagram. This is about Z, this be about X, and this is about Y. So the sphere should be like this. And we drill the hole go through the sphere. So we know that the radius of the sphere is about 5. But the radius of the hole is about 3. This is about 0 in here. So we know that the formula of the sphere is about s squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to 5 squared. The circle of the hole is about s squared plus y squared equals to number 3 squared. So we need to find the volume of this one. So I will show you how to set up these triple integrals. So we put about dz, dy, dx. About z, so we put this one go to the right. So we got about z squared equal to 5 squared minus s squared minus y squared. Because they go through the sphere in here, so we got about the positive and the negative. So the bounds for the z, that should be about z equal to the square root of 5 square minus s square minus y square, and z equals to negative the square root of this one. So we put these 10 go in here. About dy, so here is about dy, and we put this one go to the right, and we do the same, and you got about 3 square minus s square and negative of square root of 3 square minus s square. And the last one, dx, we see that they go to number 3 to negative number 3 in here. So we have from negative number 3 to positive number 3. And now we just finish to set up this one. Now we need to calculate about this one. We have dislodged, so that means we just got about nothing in here, so that should be about z, and we have the bounce from this one to this one. And now we just got this one left, and we have this one minus this one, you got about number 2. Next, we can use about polar coordinates. So we have S equals to R cosine theta, Y equals to R sine theta, and we have dy dx equals to R dr d theta, and we know that s square plus y square equals to, so we put this one and this one. So we have r square and r square. We can do about factorization. And this one you got about number 1. Next, we know that this one in here, we will change for dr d theta. So we need to create a new double integrals in here. So we have 2 multiply with the square root of 5 square, negative s square, negative y square, we change for negative r square, dy dx, we change for r dr d theta. About dr, we go to from 0 to number 3, because this is about the circle, and the radius of this circle is about number 3. So that's why you go about from 0 to number 3. D theta, we go from 0 to 2b, because we go the full circle. The full circle is about 2b. And now we need to calculate about this one. So we have this one in here. So I will use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 5 square minus r square. Later that we put the square for the both sides. So that we can cancel the square root, and you got about 5 square minus r square. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. So because we just have number 2 or dr, so we just put negative, go to the left, and we need to change the bounds in here. When r equal to number 0, so we put number 0 go in here, and we got about u equals to number 5. Square root of 5 square, you got about 5. When r equals to number 3, so we put number 3 go in here, and we got about u equals to number 4. So we got a new iteration. The square root we change for u. To r dr, we change for negative to u du. So I just put negative in here, and you got about u square. And this one we will got about negative 2u to the power of 3 over 3, and we have the bounds from 5 to 4, and we have theta in here, I forget. So this one in here, we got about 120 over 3, and we have the last one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.